Hi everybody! In the previous tutorial, I made a smiley heart. And in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make it inside a granny square. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a slip knot. Then make one single crochet at the top of one single crochet stitch of round 2. Chain 2 and one double crochet at the top of the same one single crochet stitch right here. One triple crochet into the next stitch. Two double crochet together into the next one. Two double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. One half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Into the next stitch, make one single crochet. Then one half double crochet into the next stitch. And into the next stitch, make one double crochet. Into the next one, make 2 triple crochet. Then chain 2, 2 triple crochet into the next stitch. And right here, one double crochet. And into the next one, make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and skip chain 1 space right here, and into the next stitch make 1 half double crochet. And here 1 double crochet, two triple crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, and 2 triple crochet into the next one. And into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and into the next one make 1 half double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, two double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, two double crochet together into the next one, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. For the last round, chain 2 and make 1 double crochet into the same space right here. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Into this corner, make 2 double crochet. Chain 3. Two double crochet. And make 1 double crochet in each of the 9 stitches. To make the other corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet into the same space. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And into the chain 1 space from the previous round, make 1 triple crochet. Repeat to complete the other 2 sides. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.